Digital Poetry Interpretation by Brent Makasilik. A poem written in the darkness of a prison cell, not with hatred but with love. Jose Rizal's Mi Ultimo Adios lives on, a farewell to life and a lifelong message to the nation he gave everything for. Mi Ultimo Adios, or My Last Farewell, was written on the night of December 29, 1896. It was Rizal's final hours in his prison cell at Fort Santiago as he awaited execution at dawn. Rizal had long been a peaceful reformist, which called for equal rights for Filipinos through his novels. These works exposed the cruelty of Spanish friars and officials, awakening the national consciousness of the Filipino people. Though he didn't support the revolution through arms, he was blamed for inspiring it and was sentenced to death. Rizal didn't resist. Instead, he gave us this poem, a final love letter to the Philippines. The poem was found hidden in a small alcohol and later handed to his family. In it, Rizal offered his life for the freedom of the nation, not with bitterness, but with peace and pride. More than 125 years later, Rizal's words speak to our hearts. He wrote of sacrifice, hope, and love for country, values that remain important to this day. We see his message in modern heroes such as OFWs leaving home for the good of their families, teachers reaching students in faraway communities, journalists defending press freedom, and youth leaders standing up for the truth and justice. Like Rizal, many Filipinos today continue to give their lives, not through death, but through service, compassion, and quiet courage. He teaches us patriotism is not about just dying for the country. It's about living with purpose, with love, and with dignity. Huling Paalam, salin sa Tagalog ni Andres Bonifacio mula kay Rizal. Pinipuntuho kong bayan ay paalam, lupang iniirog ng sikat ng araw. Mutyang mahalaga sa dagat silangan, kaluwalhatiang sa ami pumanaw. Masayang sa iyo'y aking idudulot, ang lanta kong buhay na lubhang malungkot, maging maringal man at labis ang alindog, sa kagalingan mo ay akin ding handog. Sa pakikidigma at papimiyapis, ang alay ng iba'y ang buhay na kipkip. Walang agam-agam, maluwag sa dibdib, matamis sa puso at di ikahapis. Saan man mautas ay di kailangan, sipres o laurel, liryong may patungan, pakikihamok at ang bibitayan. Yaon ay gayon ding kung hiling ng bayan. Ako'y mamamatay ngayong namamalas, nasa silanganan ay namamanaag, yaong maligayang araw na sisikat sa likod ng luksang nagtabing na ulap. Ang kulay na pula kung kinakailangan na maitim sa iyong liwayway. Dugo ko'y isabog at siyang ikikinang ng kislap ng iyong magniningning na ilaw. Sa kabataan ko'y bunga ng pag-asa, pangarap ng aking pusong may ligaya. Ikaw ay mamutlat walang pangamba, walang bakas luha, walang alaala. Pananalig kong di makapanlulupay, pag-asa ng bayang nag-usbong sa dangal, ay nagniningning parang bituin kung siya ay tumanglaw sa dilim ng buhat. At kung sa libingan aking masulyapan, may tangi kang puting bulaklak na alay, sa labi ng aking kalansay ay halika magpapatamis sa pusong may pagal. Sa aking puso, hanayaan mong sanang ang buwan ay tumanglaw ng kanyang liwanag, ang simoy ng gabi magparikit lumbay, at himig ng ibon ay magtaglay awit ng katahimikan ng kaluluwang patid. Hayaan mong ako'y ilibing sa lupa at ang abo ko'y ikalat sa parang walang krus ni batuman sa ibabaw upang taniman ako ng ararot asarol ay maging abono ng bukid sa araw. Di ko na kailangan pang ikaw ay umiyak sa alaala kong laan sa pagliyag. Di na rin kailangan pang isulat. Damhin mo sa hangin, sa ulap, ang pananalig kong di magmaliw. Bayan kong Pilipinas, minumutyang bayan, dinggin mo ang aking huling paalam. Mga magulang ko'y iya'y iaalay. Ang aking kasintahan, mga kaibigan, lahat ay iniiwan at sa iyo'y inaalay. Paalam, magulang at mga kapatid. Kapilas ng aking kaluluwa't dibdib, mga kaibigan, bata pang maliit, sa aking tahanan di na masisilip. Paalam sa inyo, mga ginigiliw. Mamamatay ay siyang pagkakagupiling. So that's all for Mi Ultimo Adios by Dr. Jose Rizal na isinalin sa Tagalog ni Andres Bonifacio. So as you can see, I have a poster here. So it signifies the rise of the pride of the Filipinos along with the burning heart that encourages people to strive further for the independence of our nation. Just like Rizal, we ought to seek for the goodness of our nation. So that's all. My name is Brent Paul Makasilig, and peace out.